With a small knife, make a slit across the length of one side of each chili pepper from the stem down to the tip. Work carefully to keep the stems intact. Using a tablespoon, gently scrape the inside of the chili pepper to remove seeds and pit. Rinse under cold water to remove any stray seeds. Drain well. In a frying pan, combine ground pork, garlic, onions, pepper, and magic syrup to taste. Cook until it's done and remove excess oil and wait for it to dry. Using a tablespoon, gently stuff the chili peppers with cheese strips and pork mixture. Separate lumpia wrapper and lay them on a flat work surface. Place one stuffed pepper on wrapper, fold sides of the wrapper to enclose chili pepper, leaving stem exposed. Roll tightly to fully cover chili and seal seam with dab of water. Repeat with remaining chili pepper. In a pan over medium heat, add prepared peppers in a single layer and cook, turning as needed for about 7 to 10 minutes or until golden and crisp. Remove from pan and drain on a baking sheet or a plate with tissue. And that's how you make the Dynamite Lumpia. So what are you waiting for? Try this dish out yourself, friends, and family. That's 1 minute. See you in the next video.